Alright, a lot of you have been asking questions on how do I withdraw my money on FINXPIRE, how do I get access to my product on FINXPIRE, how do I copy my affiliate link and sell those products. Now in this video I'm going to be answering all the questions, how you can withdraw, how you can put your money, everything you need to know, how you can even put your account number on FINXPIRE. So let's go. The very first thing, you come to Chrome, you search for app, that's app.finspire.com, app.finspire.com, and you search for it. It loads. You will just come in. This is my dashboard, and you have to log in. Let me show you. Now I've logged out and I will need to log in. I will just put my email and password, or put my username and password, and then when I click on this, it is going to load and bring me to this page. Now when it does bring me to this page, what's going to happen is, if you look at this top, you are going to see this place. Tap on it. If you tap on it, see dashboard, see product marketplace, you tap on product marketplace. Now this is how to copy your affiliate link and choose any product you want to market. Okay, now as you are here right now, allow it, is still loading. It is going to load, and you can see that products are coming out already. Now if these products are coming out, you can decide to turn it to a desktop mode so that your phone will be wider, or you leave it like this. Now for instance, let's assume this is the product you want to sell, the ultimate guide to creating online course, educational website and PHP script, 100% no coding. Let's assume this is what you want to do, beginner to expert, and you want to sell the course. Now if you slide right hand side, you will see a link and everything. You see this place, this is where you will tap. For instance, if that's the course you want to carry, if you tap on it, you see copied, the link has been copied. And let's assume you want to send it to somebody who wants to buy the product. All you need to do is just to, let's assume on WhatsApp, you drop it for the person who wants to buy it. Let's assume you drop it here. This is one of my groups, and then the person sees the link and go and tap on it. If the person tap on it, the person is going to come to a page like this. Now this page is going to educate the person, everything the person need to know about the product you want him or her to buy. Now you see, the person will read creating online courses and educational website with PHP script, 100% no coding. Whether you are a complete beginner, you see the person is now beginning to give knowledge of what the person is selling. So at the end of the day, if this person want people to start want people to buy, all you need to do is to click on this place. If anybody want to buy and click on this place, the person is going to pay. Now my affiliate link is 333. You always check your own and see what it is, and if anybody make purchase of this, I'm going to get a commission. And now when you want to actually sell, you have to check how many percent the person is giving. See, for this guy, he's giving 40% per sale, 40% commission. Now there are other people who are giving 50% commission. So check, which one do you want to sell, which product. I have some of my students who are selling Kobo writing life. Like one of my students even made the sale as I speak right now. All of them is just, you come, you check, you slide right and tap on copy. You paste it on a browser and read about it. Now another thing is, for those who are marketing AMM program, AMM program is the last one on the list. So you can just come, do the same thing, copy this place and go and paste it. That is that on how to copy your product link. That is your product link. That is your product link. Do you understand? Yes. Another thing, for those who have been asking how to add their bank details, let's go back. Now, so when you log into your FINXPIRE dashboard, this is how it looks like. And then for those who have not added their bank account, This is how to do it. You see this place where there's a provision for pictures, you tap on it. If you tap on it, you're going to see profile. This place, this is where you tap, you see profile. So you tap on the profile, it is going to load as well. When it loads, it is going to bring you to a place like this. You can see where they wrote bank. So you are going to add the name of your bank, put your name and the way it is in the bank, you put that bank account, you put your email, you put your phone number, you put your password, although it's not necessary because you have already done that before. Choose your country and you update. You can like to put your pictures and you update. That is how to add your bank account, and I hope you get that now. Moving on to how to add how to request for withdrawal. Withdrawals are only requested on Sundays from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. So if you want to request for withdrawals, once you have money in your account, you can only request for withdrawals when it is on Sunday so that it will be paid on Monday. So for instance, you want to request for withdrawal right now, you click this place again, tap on it, you come to this wallet and you see another wallet under this wallet, you tap on it, not on withdrawal, don't tap on withdrawal, tap on this wallet again, and it is going to show you um withdraw or selected. Now if you tap withdraw or selected, all the money available in your account will just be withdrawn, and on Monday morning you get paid. If you tap withdraw selected, if you don't want to withdraw all of them, you select the amount you want to withdraw and tap on it, and it will be withdrawn to you. That is everything you need to know about FINXPIRE and how to use their dashboard. Remember, withdrawal is only on Sunday. Do not go asking for withdrawal any other day that is not on Sunday. So I believe this video has been able to put you through. If you have any other thing that I should help you do, ask your questions and then I'll still put you through. Like this video and do not forget to comment.